Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today's recipe is Chikalang, a glutinous rice cookie. It's absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients of today's dish. Glutinous rice powder, vanilla extract, water, cooking oil, brown sugar, and coconut milk. There are 3 stages in making Chikalang. The first stage is to make the dough. The second stage is to fry the cookie. The third stage is to make the glaze. Now let's start making the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine glutinous rice flour, water, and vanilla extract. First thing you have to do is to mix together the vanilla extract and water. Then pour on a glutinous rice flour. Mix together. At this point, we can start kneading to form into a dough. Now we made the dough, just stir up a bit. Roll into a bowl, just like this. Flatten and shape it into a cookie, just like that, and repeat the process until you finish the whole dough. With this amount of ingredients, we made 12 cookies. We can now start frying them. So we preheated the oil. Let's start frying them. It's going to get very hot. The cookie will burst. So what we have to do is cover them to make sure it's safe. This is why we cover it, because as you can hear, the cookies are popping. After 5 minutes, flip them over. To fry the other side. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and transfer immediately on a kitchen towel to dry off excess oil. Now the cookies are fried, we can now start making the glaze. In a preheated pot, combine coconut milk and sugar. Give it a stir. Mix thoroughly and bring it to boil. Now the liquid is starting to boil. Just keep stirring them until it turns to caramelized sauce. After 3 minutes, it starts getting sticky. All you have to do is just keep stirring until you get the nice sauce. Stir vigorously to stop from burning. After 5 minutes, the liquid has turned into a lovely sauce. We can now turn off the heat and put aside. While the sauce is hot, just pour a teaspoonful of sauce on a cookie. Spread them properly, just like that. Be careful, The sauce is very hot. Smells really lovely. After initial teaspoon of topping, we poured the remaining syrup over the cookies. Now let it cool down for an hour. It's lovely making chikalang again. It reminds me back during my childhood. It's one of my favorite snacks I often have after lunch that I can buy at nearby stores. Chikalang is one of Mindanao's famous glutinous rice cookie. Now it's cooled down, place it in the fridge, serve chilled, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon!